what are given data given here? Resistance is represented by R is equal 50 ohm. Capacitance C is equal 43.7 microfarad, that is equal 43.7 micro means 10 power minus 6 farads. Next, supply voltage V is equal 250 volts. Frequency F is equal 50 hertz. Next, what are unknown here? ఏం కావాలి మనకి ఇక్కడ కెపాసిటివ్ రియాక్టెన్స్ XC. reactance is represented by X. Capacitive reactance means XC. Impedance Z, current I, actual power or power P. Next, power factor. These are unknown here. Next, resistance, capacitance connected across AC source. What is source here? 250 volt. Next, resistance is 50 ohm. Capacitance 43.7 microfarad. Next, capacitive reactance XC is equal 1 by 2 pi FC is the formula. That is equal 1 by 2 pi. F means frequency. What is the value of frequency here? 50 hertz into capacitance C value 43.7 into 10 power minus 6. That is equal capacitive reactance XC is equal 1 divided by bracket open 2 pi into 50 into 43.7 into 10 power minus 6 bracket close. That is equal 72.83 ohms. Next, impedance is represented by Z is equal square root of R square plus X square C. That is equal, what is R here? 50 square plus, what is XC? XC means capacitive reactance 72.83 whole square. That implies, so Z is equal 88.34 ohms. In AC circuit, current I is equal V by Z. What is V here? Current I is equal V by Z. That is equal, what is voltage V here? Supply voltage 250 by Z means impedance 88.34. That is equal 2.82 amperes. Next, actual power or true power. Actual power P is equal I square R. That is equal, I, what is I here? 2.82 whole square into R. What is R value here in a given problem? 50. That implies actual power P is equal 400 watts. Power is measured in watts. Next, power factor comma cos phi is equal R by Z. What is R value here in a given problem? 50 by Z value is 88.34. So power factor comma cos phi is equal R by Z. 50 by 88.34, that is equal 55659. In capacitance, current is leading. Please